Hey, good Thursday, everyone, or Friday Eve, as I like to call it. Here's a quick afternoon video update for you as we go through this mild but fairly cloudy Thursday. Across the valley, a live look outside at about 2:35 p.m. shows the overcast skies in Columbiana, although, there is some milky sun trying to mix in from time to time as well. Similar scene up in Niles, maybe even a little more overcast up here. It kind of looks like rain today, but nothing will come out of these clouds. Just kind of a December-looking day, but it certainly does not feel like December out there today. The visible satellite loop shows the clouds continuing to stream in from the west. We had some fog in a few spots at the start of the day, but that has dissipated with just clouds for the rest of the afternoon. But look at these temperatures. It's December 10th. We should be around 38 for a high at this time of the year. It's 50 in Sharon and Mercer, 53 in Columbiana, 53 Salineville, and 51 in Newton Falls in the 2 o'clock hour. All right, let's go into the future with our temperatures, and this is just a model. Our forecast is going to be a little different than this, but it just will show you how warm we expect it to be. Tomorrow morning, we're well up into the 40s at the start of the day. Tomorrow afternoon, I think we get well into the 50s, perhaps even upper 50s. This might be, again, a little conservative. It might be 57, 58, 59 in some spots Friday afternoon. Again, there won't be maybe quite as few clouds as today, but it's not exactly going to be bright and sunny and just pristine looking. But still, temperatures have no trouble rising. Now, the real warmth is heading here for the weekend. Our forecast for Saturday is lower 60s, the model here showing upper 50s to around 60. As we go into Sunday, I think that's the warmest day of the bunch. The model showing a few 60s showing up here. I think we could be in the mid-60s if we get enough sunshine on Sunday, and I certainly think that's on the table. And we're going to stay warm into the first half of the day, Monday, and then I do think as we get a lot of rain and wind and the cold front comes through, temperatures will start to drop fairly quickly by Monday afternoon. Look at the model showing 50s at noon, and then by 1 p.m. we're back into the 40s. So Monday could be one of those backwards days where temperatures actually fall during the second half of the day. Much more on the weekend, and especially Monday, and that pretty significant storm system heading through the region on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening. If you're longing for cold and maybe a little snow, at least cold anyway, you may be able to look briefly at the end of next week. We might have a cool down, at least back to normal at the end of next week. Until then, the pattern remains above average. And then we'll take a look at the possibility of perhaps a more sustained period of cold weather, at least for a few days. This would probably be after Christmas, maybe between Christmas and New Year's. So we'll check in with the latest climate models and also check in on the chances of a white Christmas. I still think the chances are awfully low, but we'll see just how low, we'll maybe put a percentage on it, the chances of a white Christmas this year. That's on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, and I'll see you on TV this evening at 6 and 11 on 21 News.